Hey guys, welcome back. So this is the first exercise and we're going to start by opening the image. Now if you go to the project folder, you see this color correction tool. Click on it and open. Now this is our image and we're going to bring this image to life using all that we've learned from previous videos on color correction. We're going to use all that we've learned to bring this image back to life. Okay, so we're going to come to our adjustments panel and then start with levels. So click levels and then just adjust the levels. Okay, perfect. So this looks perfect. Let me see what we get here. So this also looks perfect. Okay, so right away you can see that by just adjusting our levels, we have made our blacks and whites way richer. So if I reduce or if I hide my levels layer, we can see the difference. Okay, so this is way richer just by adding levels. So let's add curves and see what we get. So let's do this and then so the effect should be just subtle. Okay, let's see our red channel. Let's see our red channel, and there is this button here which says auto. Okay, so if you just click on auto, and it's also on the RGB channel also. So if you click on auto, it's going to automatically adjust it for you. So I just clicked on auto and it seems it didn't do anything. Maybe this is just perfect. So maybe I'll just add it a little bit. And this, my friend, looks absolutely perfect. So I'm just going to go back to my RGB and let's see what we've got here. So you can see this is the curves, this is the levels. Okay, perfect. So next up, we're going to add our vibrant. So let's make our colors more vibrant. So we can also see that on the vibrant, we also have a slider for saturation, right? So we can adjust saturation here if we want, or use the saturation and hue effect. So right away, you can see that we've added a lot of richness to our colors by just using vibrant here. Perfect. So this is perfect. So let's go on and add our hue and saturation. So click on hue and saturation and then increase the saturation. Okay, so we don't want to overdo this. So this level is perfect. You can see the improvement. Okay, so basically guys, you can see with just a few clicks we've taken our very washed out image from this to this. Okay, we've given it richness, we've given it life, we've added more life to our image. Let's see, should we add exposure? Let's see what exposure does. Let's see if exposure will do any good. Yeah, exposure isn't bad at all. So just a little exposure, a little more exposure. Okay, and we don't want to lose our colors, we don't want to lose our whites, right? So let's be mindful of our whites. So exposure, just a little bit will do. Okay, so we've taken our image from this to this. Perfect. I'm just going to Ctrl S to save our file. Color correction 2. Okay, no, let's not save it as color correction 2. Let's save it as exercise 1, and then color correction. Perfect. So hit save. Okay, and perfect. Hey, so that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. We post new videos every week covering topics in the fields of graphic design and illustration, motion graphics and video, branding, and more. If you want to support us and get access to exclusive benefits such as the project files we use in our classes, a live chat with us, shoutouts, and more, consider becoming a patron on Patreon. You can join for as little as $3 a month, and the link to our Patreon page is in the description below. And if you want to take your learning to the next level, you can check out the complete course, of which this episode is a part of. And in the complete course, you get access to more than 10 hours of video lessons, project files and resources, class exercises, a Q&A section, a certificate of completion, and more. You can get the course for a special discount by using the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.